To perform the chi-squared test of independence inside of R, we'll be using the library regclass. If you do not have it installed, go ahead and run the following code and you will install it. Then you can load the library with the code on line 2 and load data from the library with the code on line 3. The data has now been loaded to the global environment, and we're going to use two factors since they're categorical variables for the chi-squared test of independence. Let's predict what weekday somebody comes in based on whether or not they are a smoker. Along with this, we're going to enter in the name of the data frame right here, and we can load the code. Now we see that we have our contingency table showing us that 4 people came in on Friday who were not smokers. We have down here that we would expect it on Friday, from the expected counts, that 11.8 people would come in on Friday who are not smokers. Next, we get to the conditional distributions, and this is where we start to see the differences. Of the non-smokers, 2.6% of them came in on Friday. Of the smokers, we see that 16.12% of them came in on Friday. That's a bit of a difference, which creates the discrepancy right here, which is the chi-squared value. This is a very large chi-square value indicated by the p-value. Now, this p-value right here is being done via the permutation procedure and as estimated. So we now get an estimated p-value along with our chi-squared value right here.